later confronted Chuma about the kiss with Samtanda and called him a fake pastor. Rebecca is celebrating that Solom's is back in her life, not knowing that Tusomsom is betraying her. Samtanda is stuck at the red dance, but kufuneka inkomo for inhlawulo because she came knowing that she's no longer a virgin. Hi, welcome to my channel. Here's an update on Smoke and Mirrors. So Samtanda, because she went to the red dance, knowing exactly that she's not a virgin, kuthiwa kufuneka inkomo le, they want a cow for inhlawulo. And then she called her uncle, telling him to bring a cow, please, and apologized. Umalume wavela wahamba yokosokhulu to confront uVelaphi. Ukuthi wena umenzeni mshana wami in front of the whole family. Now the family is blaming uVelaphi. Ugogo wakhe was disappointed, saying, do you know that you just ruined this girl's future? Athi umalume wakhe, fine, manje kufuneka inkomo, they want a cow lena for inhlawulo. Say ifuna inkomo la mfana wami. Athi uVelaphi amthanda usiyamthanda and he's going to make a plan. And indeed, guy made a plan, sold his computer, and came and gave umalume Kanyiso the money to go and fetch usiyamthanda. Avela bona umalume ukuthi hayi wena uyindoda emadodeni. Hey, imali engakho uyithathaphi? And then Nalisa finally confronted uChuma about the kiss with Siyamthanda. uChuma emchazela, this girl yena uyikhise mina and I stopped her. Athi umstophe nini? Uyazi wena a fake pastor. You don't even deserve to stand in front of the pulpit. Ume pulpitini, the next time ujika kusana amantombazana amancane. You are such a disappointment. Bumbulu nje mfundisi, even God can't recognize you. Now I can't recognize the man in front of me. You were better off as a thug wena. Manje I can't recognize this man standing in front of me. Everyone knows ukuthi wena usigebengu. You are better off with guns. Le nto yakhe yokuma phambi kwebandla ushumayele ayikho nje. uSolomza ahambe ke yobona uNandi amtshela ukuthi hawu auntie bela, my aunt was here. Uthi Rebecca wants to kill her. Athi you better keep quiet about this and not confront Rebecca if you want your aunt to stay alive. It's okay, fine, I guess you're right. Then I'm saying I think general feel because she was shot. And then Rebecca is celebrating that Solom's is back in her life. Also celebrating that Ugama Vovo is 6 feet underground. Not knowing that Usomsom is betraying her. Bizuti, nothing can come between us. Go, Pila. She's now even telling Shoti to prepare Rumga Solom's because she thinks Solom's is going to come back home. And then, they find money, they gifted them with money, and then people start pouring gifts so that they can have their perfect wedding. Abasajabulanga. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next one. Bye.